Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be taking you through the basic features of Microsoft Excel. Yeah, just so that you can be familiar with them and not get problems while using Microsoft Excel, that is spreadsheet. So we're going to open our Microsoft Excel. Open Excel. So you come here on the search button and type Excel. Oh, we type here. All right, it's already displayed here. Microsoft Excel. Mine is 2010, so I'll click on that. Yeah, and it is there. So I just want to take you through the basic features of Excel. Now we have these features, as you can see from here. We have this. We have this, as you can see. We have here rows that are represented by numbers. As you can see, this is row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5. And then we have this one that is represented by letters. These are columns. It's a column A, column B, column C, column D. Now, the intersection of this row and this column, like this, is called a cell, where you see this bold rectangular thing like this. That is a cell. This is another cell. This is another cell. This is another cell. So those cells have their names, and the cell reference can be giving us the name of each of these cells, and also basically the cell reference can either name a single cell like this or a range of cells. For example, if I drew this, then I want to name this. This is a range of cells. So naming this, I will take the one where my cursor is pointing. That is on your left. The topmost left here shall say this is C. This is C what? C3. Then you come here. After the what? The bottom right. Of course, when it says C3, then we put a column, and then we come to the bottom right, which has said F12. So that will be this range here. So well, we call that a cell reference. We can either means the name a range or cell, single cell. Yes. So now on Excel, we also have what is called a name box. As you can see where my cursor is pointing, it shows you there a name box. That is the name box. The name is a particular cell. As you can see, we are on C3 and it is showing us C3. If you tap on this one, it is A1 and that is A1. Yes. So then we also have this. This is insert function. As you can see, insert function. If you click on it, it will give you options here. You can insert a function. Of course, the function is a predefined formula that is already in the system. As you can see, sum, average, if, count, maximum, those are functions. I'll just show you that, but we don't want to do that right now, so we are going to cancel. Alright, remove that because that is our aim. Oh, let me engage my board and remove that. Okay, we don't need that. We're just showing you insert function. Then where that thing is, this is called a formula bar. This is a formula bar where the formula is displayed in case you're doing calculations and you're inserting formulas here. It will be displayed here. For example, if I put a formula, we can say equals to, and we'll see what will happen. We'll say equals to. Alright, so it's equals to, maybe we say cell A1. As you can see, it is displayed. And of course, the formula we can use, we can keep on adding. If it is addition, we shall just add directly because that is that is not what I wanted. But if it is addition, we shall just add, and we add cell So you see it is being this. So I just wanted to show you that it is being displayed as a formula bar. Yes, that is the formula bar. Okay, let's move to the next thing. Mm, yeah. So basically that. So let's check on formula. A formula is an equation that can be used to perform calculations using numbers in Excel. For example, if you want to maybe I have some values here in this row, this column A, and then here, and then here, then you want to work on them. You can use a formula, you can use a function. Now, a function is just a prebuilt or predetermined formula. For example, we have sum. Now, let me show you what a function is. Answer equals to, answer equals to. Because whenever we are doing our calculations, we begin with cosines, right? Answer equals to, answer equals to. And then we type sum. Uh, so this, all this one, you see this are function. This are function. You can just click, if you want sum, you just click on it until, and now it will open the bracket and you put in the what? The cell that I will begin, that I follow the calculation. Yeah, that is it. So I hope now we know the difference between a formula and a function. A formula, if you go to sum up things, you can just say that cell A1 plus B1 plus C1, and you get the answer. And the formula is the sum of those ones. Yes? Alright. So now I want to, there's what we call a worksheet and then a workbook. Now when you look at Excel here, this that you're seeing here, this that you're seeing, this that you're seeing, this that you're seeing, this whole sheet here, it is very long, very long. This whole sheet is called this is a worksheet. This whole one here is a worksheet. And now you see they'll put for you down here sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. Now when we have more than one sheet in the same Excel document, means we refer that one is now referred to as a workbook. A workbook can contain more than one worksheet. Yeah, so a workbook is basically a collection of the worksheets. And a worksheet is just this that you're saying that you're saying I'm showing you. Yeah, so that is just basically Excel. I hope now you know some of the details of Excel. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share the video.